All right, everybody, welcome back to another Mr. K's tutorials. Today I'm going to show you how to use Photopia to turn a photo into partially black and white and partially color to add emphasis to your photo. It's a really cool project, really adds a pop to your photography. Now, what you're going to need ahead of time is you're going to need a picture that you took, all right? Just some kind of picture that hopefully it maybe already has some kind of colors in it. Shouldn't be too one note. Try to make it so that the colors already kind of stand out. And I'll show you what I mean here in a second. All right, so if I go to Photopia, I already have the picture downloaded. So I'm going to go to Open from Computer. And Photopia likes to be slow today. Whenever I record a video, it loves to be slow. All right, going to Downloads. Working on it. All right, now it's going to take some time to load that up. All right, and this isn't a difficult project. It's not going to take a lot of time. It is a very quick project. It's really a quick tool you can use to just take a photo that you already have and make it look cool and professionally edited and just really nice. If the photo ever loads. All right, there we go. So there's a couple of ways you can do this. So first of all, like I said before, you want a picture where the colors kind of stand out already. And so this is what I mean. I have green leaves and brown leaves and the branches, which are brown, but then I have these red leaves here. And so I want these red leaves to stand out even more, even though they already do stand out because they're the only thing that's red in a sea of green and brown. All right, so you could do this with a couple different tools. You could use one of the lasso tools and cut around the outside. You could do that. You could use the magic wand. The problem with the magic wand, though, is you need to make sure that you're on the Unite over here. You're on the Unite button so that it continually adds to what you've already chosen. But as you can see, there's a lot of little spaces in between of my selection. So I'm not going to use that. I'm going to deselect that. I'm going to use the quick selection tool. Again, you can use any of these. These are all perfectly fine to use. And it depends how big is the area that you want to stay the same color, okay? And how big is just how easy is it to get around, right? So if I just click and drag a little bit here on this leaf, all right, I've got this leaf. I've got most of this leaf. I don't have the back side, so I'm going to try to get the back side here. All right, and there you go. That looks good right there. All right, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to come up to image. Oh, no. Yeah, no, edit. I'm going to go to edit, and I'm going to cut it. Cut it, cut it, cut it. You need to cut it. All right. And now that I have it cut out, what I'm going to do before I paste it, okay, what I'm going to do is I'm going to add a new layer, channel mixer, monochromatic. We've done that before if you've seen these other videos. All right. So I'm going to come down here on my layer panel to new adjustment layer. I'm going to go to channel mixer, and then I'm going to click on monochromatic right there. All right. One thing I forgot to do is deselect. So I'm going to delete this and do that all over again. It shows you the power of deselecting. All right. When you deselect, things work right. All right. So right there it was again, right? New adjustment layer, channel mixer, monochromatic. All right. I can get rid of the second one that I just created for no reason at all. All right. So now I have that, but I need to put these leaves back in place. So what I'm going to do is add a new layer. I'm going to come up here to edit, and I'm going to go to paste. And it will paste them right back in place. And there we go. Now these leaves really stand out. I'm going to come up here to File, Export As, and you can choose either a PNG or a JPG. It does not matter. They are both commonly used picture saving formats. And so you could do either one. I'm just going to hit JPG because that's what this picture already is. I would make a suggestion. Try not to save it as the same file name. All right. And now I am done, and I would upload this to the assignment page. when you upload it to the assignment page, I want the original and this recolored one. All right. So I want 2 pictures submitted for this, the original one that you did and this half black and white, half color, however you want to do it, picture. All right. All right. So good luck with that. And I will see you next time.